So here's how to fix ad account not showing on Telegram. So for that reason, first of all, you need to go to the Telegram application, and then from here you need to tap on the three dots on the top left side corner. Simply tap on that, and here is the number. So between the number you will probably see this arrow icon, so simply tap on the arrow and you will find out the add account option. But if you don't see the add account option here, then you need to simply go and reinstall your Telegram application from the Play Store. So from the Play Store you can simply go to the Telegram and you will probably see any update. So if you see any update, simply tap on the update button and it will try to update your Telegram, and you will probably see the add account option right over here. So that's how you can simply fix ad account not showing on Telegram. So I hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.